students, welcome to the class. It's our phonic class. Today we will learn the sound ch. The sound ch sound, okay? I like cheese. I like chocolates. I like chips. So these are all words. What I said? Chocolate. Chips, cheese. These all the words, did you notice something? These all have the common ch sound in it. CH, ch sound in it. They all have the common ch sound. So these are the words with sound ch. Now let's see some pictures and learn with the pictures, okay? This is a bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. So the word is bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. So the word is ch sounding word. It's a ch sounding word, right? Next, this is a cat is on the bench. So, a cat on the bench. A cat on the bench. So, the word is bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. It's a ch sounding word. The word is bench. This is my chin. This is my chin. So, the word is chin. The word is chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. This is my chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Now, I like to eat chips. I said that chips. I like to eat chips. I like to eat chips. Next, this is a parrot eats chilies. A parrot is eating chili, right? The picture says a parrot is eating chili. So you can say a parrot eats chili. So the word is chili. C-H-L-L-I. Chili. C-H-L-L-I. Chili. The parrot eats chili. It is my new chair. It is my new chair. The word is chair. C-H-I-R. Chair. It is my new chair. So now these are the words with ch sound. Chocolates, bunch, bench, chips, cheese, chin, chili, chair. There are other words also. Let's see a video here, okay?
Let us read chore words. So, let's take a ride on this choo-choo train and learn the words starting with the letter CH, that is ch. C-H-I-N, chin. Touch your chin. C-H-O-P, chop. Chop the vegetables. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Look at this gold chain. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Look, this is a wooden chair. C-H-A-R-T, chart. I can see so many charts on the wall. C-H-I-L-L, chill. It is chill outside. Very, very cool weather. C-H-E double S, chess. I like to play the game. Yes, I like to play chess. CHEESE, cheese. I like to eat cheese pizza. I like to eat cheeseburger also. CHEEKS, cheeks. This baby has chubby cheeks. CHIPS, chips. Oh, which are these? These are potato chips. CHERRY, cherry. I like to eat cherries also. So that was all. Now let us look at the word bank. Read with me. CHIPS, chips. CHOP, chop. CHIN, chin. CHAIR, chair. CHAIN, chain. CHART, chart. CHESS, chess. CHILL, chill. CHEESE, cheese. CHEEKS, cheeks. CHERRY, cherry. Learn this. Thank you and have a nice day.